Hello everyone, my name is Faiz and welcome to my YouTube channel Digi Faiz। तो आज हम जानेंगे एक्सेल के बारे में कि माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल क्या होता है, इसकी हिस्ट्री के बारे में। सो स्टार्ट करते हैं हम हिस्ट्री ऑफ माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल। तो सबसे पहले हम जानेंगे फाउंडर ऑफ एक्सेल। तो हु इज़ द फाउंडर ऑफ एक्सेल? सो द फाउंडर ऑफ एक्सेल इज़ मिस्टर चार्ल्स सिमनोई। चार्ल्स सिमनोई जो थे आपके इज़ अमेरिकन सॉफ्टवेयर आर्किटेक्ट हैं, रह चुके हैं एंड started the Microsoft application group. He started the Microsoft application group where he built the first version of Microsoft Office. About the Excel is a most powerful tool, customizable and widely used business solution. It first introduced as Multiplan, where you can known as the old name of Excel in 1982. Excel version 1.0. Microsoft Excel was initially introduced in 1985 as Excel 1.0, which was one of the first spreadsheet applications that was a graphic interface. This version was only available for Macintosh, and the version 2.0 in 1987 released in Excel version 2.0 for the Windows, and after that Excel version 3.0 was released in 1990, which was the part of the Microsoft Office suite. You can tell the PowerPoint 2.0 and the Word 1.1 version. Now, that was used for the dynamic data exchange or 3D charts and add-in support. The version 4.0 in 1992, Excel version 4.0 released as a new features like the shortcuts and autofill. In 1993, version 5.0 released for the VBA, which is called the Visual Basic application for the macros. In 2000 and 2003 versions for launch as a minor improvements. Excel 2007, Excel version 2007 released as in applications capabilities such as 1 million rows and 1600 columns. In spreadsheet you can check out the 1 million rows and the 1600 columns in the spreadsheet. In 2010 there is a minor improvement such as the ribbon was improved here in 2010. In 2013 Excel released as a create the complex data modules in Excel, and after 3 years Excel improved new features such as the capability to use the 3D maps to present data as well as the forecast sheet function. In 2019, the last time Microsoft Excel updated, and at this time you can see the maps, charts, funnels charts, new keyboards, shortcuts and improved calculation functions in the spreadsheet applications. And if we talk about today in 2023, the Microsoft released the Excel 365 and the Excel 2019, which includes the new core features. So this is the history of Microsoft Excel, and in upcoming classes we will learn about the Excel, how to learn the Excel. So guys, keep it on my YouTube channel and watch my latest videos about the Excel. Thank you so